Hi everyone, you're welcome back to another incredible video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to create PayPal account and how to link your Nigerian bank account to your PayPal account and how to earn some money with the next video popping up immediately after you watch this first part. So this video is going to be like a two-in-one video. So stick around and watch till the end. All right, it's going to be of a help to you. So now to create a PayPal account is very easy, and all thanks to PayPal. It has been a very difficult thing to create a PayPal account, and even when you create a UK PayPal account, you're still going to encounter some issues thereabout. But for now, PayPal is fully back to Nigeria, and we are happy about it. So you don't need much, all right? So let me just brush through. So where I actually show a full tutorial is how to link it, all right? Creating is easy. It's how to link it that is going to be an issue for some people, but everything has been sorted out in this video. So all what you need to do is to come to paypal.com, all right? So immediately you get to paypal.com, you are going to see this option here and sign up, all right? And one thing I noticed about this PayPal is that when we're creating UK, US, Lesotho, and all of this, country PayPal account, we see something like choose, is it business or personal, right? It's going to show you these two options, and you are to determine which PayPal account you want to use, either a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account. But for this one, it's straight up, all right? It's not showing you either personal or business. That is Nigerian PayPal for you, all right? So all what you need to do is to come over to this place, you scroll up, and then you see this part that says sign up. So you're going to click on sign up. I already have account, all right? Okay, so now it's showing me sign up, right? So you are going to click any of your email, and then you put it there. Right now, it's going, the most important thing is that it's showing you this Nigerian flag, and you must pay attention to this segment, all right? So if it's showing you another country, please immediately click on the arrow and change it to Nigeria, okay? Please do not forget that. So you basically put your email, you're going to put your password, right? And then everything there is going to be Nigerian, and you put your Nigerian number, and verify with your NIN or with your international passport, whichever one is still going to be accepted. It's as easy as that. We don't need much time to waste over it, all right? So the next part is for you to link. After creating it, you are to link your bank account, all right? So you move ahead. Okay, let me log in. As you can see, it's showing me Nigerian flag before I log in. So please pay attention to it. And this is a Nigerian PayPal account that is ready to send and receive money, all right? So if you want to link your account, now it's going to show you link bank, it's going to show link card, all right? But because I've already linked my bank, it's not showing link bank again, all right? And I don't have business with link card, okay, because I've already linked my bank, which is my Paga account number, all right? So now this is basically what you need to do. In case you come to this place and they're showing you that they expect, that they suspected suspicious activities hereabouts, you don't need to panic. What you need to do is to click on it and sort it out by, uploading your NIN or your international passport. So now after that, let's head over to linking our bank account, which takes us to Paga. So you move ahead to your Google Play Store, and then you type Paga, right? It's going to show you this. Mine is showing open, yours is going to show install. You install, and then after installation, you click on open. After you click on open, mine is showing login, yours is going to show sign up. What do? You then sign up with your basic information. Now, please listen attentively when registering your Paga account, because the main purpose you are creating a Paga account is to link it to your PayPal, right? So please, basically, you are expected to use your email. The email you use in registering PayPal is the same email you are going to use to register your Paga account. Please and please, most of the videos I've actually watched on this, they do not hammer on this, and people will always have problem if you do not hammer on this particular point. So you are to register with the email you use in registering with your PayPal, all right? So all the basic information you use when creating your PayPal account is the same information you want to use, both the address, both the code, the zip code, everything must be the same, all right? So once that is done, after the registration, you are going to click on login, all right? So now I've already recorded the video. I've actually pre-recorded the video when I was creating this account. So guys, let me show you step by step on how I actually link this account. As you can see here, you can see the PayPal account, and you can see the name here, all right, to show that this particular account, Paga account, has been linked to PayPal account. Now let me show you on how I did that. All right guys, right back. Okay, now this is how to link your PayPal account to your Paga wallet or account. You understand? So now to link your Paga account to PayPal, this is what you will do, right? So you go to your Play Store and download Paga. Okay, as you can see here, and then you sign up. Now you're going to see these two options, Nigeria or US. So you can still create a US account, but first, what you create is a Nigerian account. Okay, later you can come back for this US, right? So you click on it. It's going to ask you for your phone number. So we're gonna put the phone number through WhatsApp or through SMS. Through SMS. So we're waiting for the code. Okay, the code is here. Receiving the code through WhatsApp is easier. So we'll copy the code, then get to this place and paste it there. Send valid code. What happened? Okay, they sent two code. Look at it. Okay, that shows the first code that we said SMS. They went and sent it through. They went and sent it through WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you guys are seeing it. This is a live demonstration. Okay, any mistake I made, you're seeing it. Anything you're seeing it. Okay, so now turn on push notifications. Yes, so we're gonna allow it and then go back. Then your NIN number. Okay, so camera access. We're gonna allow it. We're gonna allow it, and this is a face verification. All right. So let's get started. That's like that you miss. Okay, so verification successful. Say record so. Okay. Verification successful. So the next thing we're gonna do now, enter your email. Which email do you want to use? Use your PayPal email. Use your PayPal email. Yeah. Okay, so you are going to use your PayPal email, all right? That's PayPal email you're using creating your PayPal. So use it here also. Your password. Okay, so we are in the last step now, and this is what is showing us. Just one more thing. Create your personal Paga tag to send and receive money with ease. Okay, now we have selected it and we'll click on I like this one. Let me make that sound. So this is your Paga account number, all right? So now we have to link with our BBN. Okay, so let's just do all the verifications. Okay, so they have successfully verified our account and they're asking us to fund, but we're not funding for now. Okay, so welcome to Paga. Would you like a quick tool to discover blah blah blah? Explore on my own. So we're gonna do this later. All right. Also, to link your account now after creating your Paga account, so you come to this Naira icon here. Okay, and then you click on it. You're going to see this Nigerian. You're going to see US PayPal, right? So you're going to click on PayPal account. Then you're going to see these two options, all right? Connects to global commerce with Paga and PayPal. Then you're going to click on connect PayPal. All right. So now it's going to ask you to log into your PayPal account. So if you save your password before, it's going to show like this. And then you click on this and then you log into your PayPal account. Wait while we perform security check. You know PayPal and security check. So it's not a new thing. We'll wait. Now as you can see, do you see this now? Okay, this lets Paga receive information, date of birth, email, confirmation, and all of that. So you're going to scroll down and click on agree and connect. And we have successfully created a Paga account and we have connected our PayPal successfully to our Paga account. You can see it's welcome back to another segment of this video. So in this part of the video, all you need to do is to download the app I'm going to show you now. You fill in your basic information and then as you use the app, you get paid for talking, you get paid for interacting with people and thereabout. I don't need to talk much. Okay, so now let me walk you through on how to go about it. As you can see, the screenshots in your screen, so that is the payment from this particular app, and the minimum withdrawal is in the screen right now. You can, as you can see. So now let's get started. Now what you need to do is two things you need to do to get started with this particular update. All right, so now you need a link to download this particular app, all right, and then you need your referral email. So the person referring you, you need his or her email, all right, and these two things I've made it available in my community and also in the pinned comment of this video. Okay, so but for the email you need to join my community to get the email, all right, because without the referral email you cannot activate your payments, all right. So you need these two things compulsorily. So once you copy the referral link, you click the referral link or you paste it on your Google Chrome, all right, and then hit on search, all right. So it's gonna open for you. As you can see this, right, and then you click on accept. So after clicking on accept, it will now direct you to your Play Store and then you install. So now after you have installed, you now click on open. Please watch carefully. All right. So now we are going to click on register. Now, there are two options here: enter with phone number or email. We are going to click on email and then use your PayPal email. All right, your PayPal email. Okay. Now, the display name you want to use. All right. Okay. And then you click on next. Okay, your dates of birth. So you save your password, the date of birth. Okay, now, and then we'll confirm. Then you're going to tick or check this box and then you create your account. Now they're asking us to verify if we are human. Please just follow this step by step, all right? Now we are asked to select all objects found in the same place as the object shown. Okay, this, right? And then we are verified. Okay, allow. And voila, we have joined this Discord, all right? And they have sent us an email. Now, the next thing, you can see these two here, go to server or dismiss. Please, in no condition or I don't know how to actually put it for you. Please don't click dismiss. Don't do that mistake to click dismiss. Click on the first one, which is go to server. Now, they are asking for your country. We are in Africa, right? Don't choose any other country if you are not in that country. So this is our country. We click on it. Next. Okay, now what games do you play? So you can choose to select. I like this Minecraft. Then League of Legend. I like the game also. Okay, but basically we can just pick it like this, all right? Or you just select whichever one. I'm not choosing this, all right? So we'll click on next. Okay, console, PC, or mobile. So we're going to click this. Click on next. Okay, do you agree to follow the server rule and recording guidelines? Yes. All right. So we're going to click finish. So as you can see, we have basically joined this particular server. Okay. And then we click on OK. Now this is where the main step is. You can see this notification, welcome, and all of that. Now, all these are community, they are channels, right? Now you are going to scroll and keep scrolling. Anyone you see this mic icon, let me use my brush for you guys. Where is my brush? Okay, anyone you see this mic icon or this mic icon, that is what you are going to join, all right? So you see this mic icon, you're going to join them, okay? And that is how you can earn from it. Now let's go and confirm our email before we move further with this tutorial. Okay, so let's go to our email. So as you can see, because if you do not verify and you just want to start, it's not going to work. So we'll verify our email verified. Okay, you can see that. So now let's go back. I'm not going to click on this, continue with this code. No, I will just go straight to this place. All right. So that is how basically. Now let's check what we need to do here. So what is your main task here? It's just they just needed you to talk, all right, and your 1 hour of talking is equivalently to $1. All right. So okay, let's just do this. So if I click on it now, I'm going to join this channel where people are talking, interacting, and all of that. Okay. So now if we join it now, we're going to hear people talking and they don't mind. Okay. Now, what are you going to be talking? What are you talking about? Just basically just say anything. You know, the same way you put your phone down in your house and you are talking and all of that, you can just put it there and just place your phone somewhere. They just want you to be talking. You can be discussing with your friend. You can be gisting at home with your parents, with your siblings, with your mom, your colleagues at work, whichever one. As far as your voice is coming or voices are coming through your own profile, then 1 hour of it will earn you some points. All right, so that is how basically it works. And let's see what to do here. Okay, now let's just check one of this microphone icon. You can try to join one or any community here and it's full. What you need to do is to go back and join another one. Okay, and you can also create your own community. All right, so once you create your own community, it's going to have a mic test. Okay, it's going to have that mic icon. But if the mic icon has been taken, maybe everybody has already taken the speaker, this thing, yours is not going to have the speaker. All right, so except somebody quit their community, then yours can take place. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but don't worry if you don't understand, you will understand as we move ahead. All right, so now let's check this. Okay, let's check this. Which one should we pick? This no joy. This one that is this is no joy. Now I don't understand, but let's just click the no joy. Let's see how this thing, her community. Now immediately you click on it, okay, you can see your mic is muted, right? So you can decide to unmute it. So once you click the muted icon, then it's going to show you these three options. Then you're going to click while using the app. Okay. So now that you have clicked it, even if it's not showing on mute, just leave it that way. Okay. Then you click on join. Okay. Now as you can see, this channel is full. Only 3 people can join this channel. As you can see, right? So we are going to leave this channel and join another channel. So let's check this second one here. Okay. I hope this one is not full, please. This one is full also. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's check another one. This Tina's channel. Let's see. I hope it's not full. Okay. He said you must be a member at least 10 minutes to speak in the server. Okay. 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 So what we need to do now is to click on this plus icon here. No, we are not inviting anybody. Okay. We'll click on this. Okay. Okay. Let me show you guys what I clicked. Okay. I click on this message icon. All right. So I clicked on it. As you guys can see, it looks complicated, right? But if you watch this video carefully, it's not at all. You must be a member at least 10 minutes to join the server. Okay, so as you can see, all right. So what you need to do is to stay like 10 minutes in this particular app. Okay, just stay like 10 minutes before you start pressing further to join people's channel. Okay, and it's not been up to 10 minutes, so probably I'm going to cut some parts and then so that we can navigate this. All right.
So at this point now, we have successfully joined a channel. So immediately you join a channel, you are going to see this icon is going to pop up, which is I consent to recording. Then you're going to click on I consent to recording. All right, you click on it and you start recording. So 1 hour of your recording attracts $1 to you. All right, so that is how basically this one works. Okay. So if you love this video and you found it helpful, do well to give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and leave a nice comment in the pinned comment. All right, enjoy my community for more questions. All right, see you.